Hello and welcome to our channel Health, Fitness and Home Remedies. Today I am telling you the home remedies for cough. Coughing is most common health problem. When there is blockage and irritating your throat, cough occurs. It's due to viral infection, flu, cold, smoking and lung cancer. Take a piece of ginger, chop this, chop this in fine pieces. Extract its juice. Add 1 spoon of honey in it and mix it well. Take this mixture of honey and ginger thrice a day and you will easily get rid from cough. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.